Page 65 and 66. Adult organisms produce the seeds, spores, and eggs that create new life. But the way these adults send these little packages of life into the world are often very different from each other. Blowing in the wind. It's fun to blow on a dandelion and watch the white fluff scatter everywhere, isn't it? Look closely and you'll see a little seed hanging from each white parachute. By blowing these seeds around, you're helping to create new plants. When kids aren't around to blow the seeds, the wind disperses them. You also might have played with little seed packages that maple trees drop. These packages use wings to disperse seeds. They are those little helicopters you can toss into the air and watch spiral down to the ground. Words to know. Disperse. To scatter something over a wide area. Did you know the largest seed in the world is from the Coco de Mar palm tree? It's about 3 feet wide. This tree grows on the Seychelles Islands in the Indian Ocean. After a walk through the forest, you might find sticky burrs clinging to your socks. That's another way plants spread their seeds. Inside those prickly outer shells are the seeds to the plant. Other plants might depend on animals to eat their seeds. If an animal eats berries from a bush, it also eats the seeds in the berries. Those seeds come out in the animal's waste. The seeds might start a new plant right there. Some plants, such as strawberry plants, send out runners to create new life. These are long, thin shoots sent out from the main plant. When the shoot touches the ground, it starts a new little plant just like the adult. Sometimes one runner makes many plants. Did you know the average lifespan of a cat is 15 years? But a cat named Cream Puff in Texas lived to be 38. She holds the record for oldest cat. The circle of life. Everything in nature is a cycle. When something dies, the remains are often used to help other organisms live. Scavenger organisms are nature's cleanup crew. They usually don't cause the death of another animal or plant, but they do consume it once it has died. What is one way plants disperse their seeds? Sending the seeds in the mail, waiting for humans to disperse the seeds, letting the wind blow the seeds around to different places where new plants can grow.